closer?
I don't think so. Hear it? We're on the chase for a 2001.
There's not one closer.
Put on your ear things.
I don't need them right. There's got to be one closer than that. There's something right over here. Look on your map.
Go that way.
Okay.
I hear him over that way.
The boats are on Franklin right now. Remember last year?
Now I hear him over there. Great.
No, they're echoing. It's on the beach.
It can't be. It will be
I
really
hear
loud.
it. Right over there.
Oh, I hear it now. What is that? I don't know what that is. I don't know which one.
There's one right here somewhere.
That's the Okay, it's gotta be the I-Force. It's gotta be the I-Force. Cause the E-Class is way over there, and it doesn't. I don't hear it. It's rotating.
Yeah, it is.
That's the 2001
Where?
NIPSCO.
Oh, well that's the NIPSCO plant right there.
Is there a train station? Like a train?
Yeah, there's train tracks
Yeah,
by it, but
it's
you
by the
can't-
train
you
tracks, like
can't-
right where the train
you
tracks
can't
start.
get to them from public because it's NIPSCO property. Right there is NIPSCO.
It's
They're
rotational,
not
I
letting
know
us
that.
over here.
Huh?
They're not letting us over there.
Right now.
I see it.
It's rotating.
I know. Where is it? I thought I saw it over here on a pole.
There it is!
Where? There it is! Right there! Get out! Get a video!
Okay, this is me editing the video now, and I gotta point out why this was a failed 2T22 chase. So, I was getting dressed when we were going, and my mom said that our city were testing theirs now. So we got out. I hurried out, put on my shirt, and we drove over to NIPSCO where the 2001 is. I thought it was the I-Force and or the E-Class, but then I found out it was rotating. Then it had to have been the 2001, so we drove over to where the 2001 was, and it was that. And I got a video of it. It was doing attack. It was awesome, and then I cut the footage because we didn't end up getting it. We were driving over to the 2T22. I have a picture of it. It's on the screen right now. But the thing is it was testing at the same time. LaPorte was testing, it was testing at the same time that Michigan City was. So that's not really, couldn't really see it anymore because it wasn't testing anymore. So the lady said that we went into, it was right by a deli. So we went in, and the cashier girl, she said, yeah, it was really loud at 11 because we asked if it was still active. But she said 11, and it was like 12:06 at that time. We thought it was going to go off at 12, but sure enough, we were just standing in a field for like an hour. But she said it's set at 11. We're going next month, I know that. But she said there's this T-128 by her house, and I went to go see it, and yeah, it was huge because I was way closer to it. I don't know why I actually saw this T-128, and it didn't look that big, and I was right next to it. But sure enough, this one that I went to, which is the one that she told us about, it was way bigger. The horn looked way bigger. I don't know why, but still, though, it was a pretty cool day. Hey, we went to the flea market. Okay, I hope you guys liked the video, and like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you next time.